Hey GPT, ask me Python questions like theory part, and I will try to answer. Okay.
That sounds great. Let's do it. I'll ask you a few theoretical questions about Python. First one, what is the difference between a list and a tuple in Python?
Okay, so list is a data structure. Of course, both are the data structure, and they store the multiple values together. So a list is a mutable, and tuple is immutable, and tuple uses the C bracket or round brackets to store the data, whereas list uses the square brackets to store the data, and tuple is faster because it is a immutable. Python automatically detects that's the immutable. That's why tuple is faster.
That's a really solid answer. Exactly. Lists can be modified. You can add, remove, or change elements, while tuples are fixed once created. And yet, because of that immutability, tuples can be a bit faster and have a smaller memory footprint. Nice job. Ready for another?
Yeah, I'm ready. You can ask.
Awesome. Here's another one. What is a Python decorator and how does it work?
It is basically adds some extra behavior to the original function. Uh, it adds some extra behavior to the original function, and we have our decorators. Like if you want to do something before and after the function, or any activity you're performing, then you can basically use your own decorator function. You can create your own decorator function and all. Then you can also wrap the original function. And if you want to like use some built-in methods, then you can also use that, like static and class method, where class method is like it is represents the class itself, and it uses a CLC parameter, whereas static method is just like a regular function, and it doesn't have a connection with the instance or like class. So it's just a simple function, we can say.
Yeah, that's a great explanation. You nailed it. So decorators basically let you wrap a function to add behavior before or after it runs, kind of like a reusable wrapper. And you're right, they're super useful in things like logging, access control, or even timing functions. Nice work. Want to try another concept?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Perfect. All right, here's another one. What is the global interpreter lock in Python, and how does it affect multi-threading?
Global interpreter, I don't know. Can you explain? ILO interpreter, it's basically a software which reads the code line by line, and it executes